In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix bookings in Wix. If you want to let visitors schedule appointments, classes, or services directly through your website, adding Wix bookings is a quick and useful step. The good news is that the setup starts right from your Wix dashboard, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to click. To begin, go to your site dashboard. This is the main control area for your Wix website, where you manage your site settings, apps, design tools, and business features. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu gives you access to the major sections of your site, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct dashboard for the website you want to edit. Next, click on Apps in the left sidebar. This section is where Wix lets you expand what your site can do by adding built-in tools and extra features. After opening Apps, click on App Market. The App Market is basically Wix's library of available apps, and it's where you can find tools for bookings, stores, events, forms, chat, and much more. Once you're inside the App Market, go to the search bar and type in Wix Bookings. This helps you find the exact app quickly without having to browse through different categories. When the Wix Bookings app appears in the results, click on it to open its app page. Here you may see a short overview of what the app offers, which can be helpful if you want to confirm that you're selecting the correct booking tool for your site. After that, click Add to Site. Wix will then begin adding the app to your website. In most cases, this happens very quickly. Once it's added, that's it. You've successfully installed Wix Bookings on your site. At this point, the app is connected to your website, and you can move on to customizing it later based on your business needs, whether that means offering appointments, classes, or other bookable services. A helpful tip is to make sure you're signed into the correct Wix account and working on the right website before adding the app, especially if you manage more than one site. That's the full process for adding Wix Bookings in Wix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.